Welcome back to our MATLAB machine learning series. In this video, we will train our model using MATLAB's Classification Learner App and export the trained model for future predictions. We will append labels to our training features to prepare the dataset for training. Use the Classification Learner App to train multiple decision tree models. Export the best performing model to the MATLAB workspace. Save the trained model as a .mat file. Let's get started. To begin, we need to append labels to the training features. This will serve as the output class for each URL, allowing our model to learn the patterns associated with each class. We are appending the labels as the seventh column in our train files matrix. The double function is used to convert categorical labels into numerical form, as MATLAB's classification models require numerical inputs. Let's run the code to see the output in the workspace. The command window displays the percentage of progress as the program executes, indicating the feature extraction progress for each URL. Our train files and test files are now available in the workspace, ready to be used for model training and testing. Next, we will use the Classification Learner app to train a machine learning model using our training data. The Classification Learner app in MATLAB allows us to easily train and compare multiple models without writing complex code. Visualize training progress and performance metrics. Select the best model and export it for further use. We start by creating a new session from our workspace. This option allows us to directly use the train files variable that we just created as our training data set. Here, we see the new session window with three main sections: dataset, where we select our training data and specify predictors and response variables; validation, used to assess model performance and avoid overfitting; start session, to begin the model training process. Under the dataset section, we select train files as our training data. MATLAB automatically detects the predictors, columns 1 to 6, and the response, column 7, from our dataset. Predictors are the input features extracted from the URLs. Response is the output label corresponding to each URL. We select no validation because we have a separate test set for evaluating our model's performance later. Let's start the session. Our training data is now loaded into the Classification Learner app. We are ready to train our model. We select all trees under model type, which includes coarse tree, simple tree with fewer splits; medium tree, balanced tree with moderate complexity; fine tree, complex tree with many splits. Decision trees are chosen for their interpretability and effectiveness in classification tasks. We also ensure use parallel is selected for faster training using multiple CPU cores. By enabling parallel processing, MATLAB uses multiple CPU cores to train all three models simultaneously, significantly reducing training time. The training is complete. The history panel shows the accuracy of each model. We observe that the tree model has the highest accuracy of 75.9%, so we will select this one. We export the best model by selecting Export Model. The model is saved in the workspace as train model, ready for use in our main script. Our train model is now in the workspace, ready to be saved for future use. We save the model as a .mat file in the same project directory. This allows us to easily load the model in future scripts without retraining. In this video, we appended labels to training features. Use the Classification Learner app to train decision tree models, exported the best model, and saved it as a .mat file. In the next video, we will use this trained model to make predictions on our test set. See you there.